That's watching the video, and here is the step. So before you can create OKX account, not just account just like that, but a verified OKX account, first you need to have your ID. Okay, so have your ID, whether national identification card, whether your driving license or your passport, have any one of these. Okay, and let me show you how you can create your account on OKX. Just a verified and a safe one that you can use to make transaction. And after showing you how you can create your account, make sure you also check other videos out to know how you can deposit and also withdraw from OKS. Okay, so all these videos are in the comment section or the description of the video. Everything is here. Just watch all these right here on this platform. So let me show you how you can create your account and the other videos with how you can deposit and withdraw and even make transactions and all these things. Videos will be coming. So everything will be in the description or the comment section of this video and you can check them out. Let's start with it. Let's dive in.
So go to Play Store or App Store and then download the OKX app. So you are going to use this and just tap install from your Play Store or App Store. After installing, let me just show you how you do it. But make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. Then you open the app. So after opening, wait for some time, it will load, and then we have the OKX app installed and ready to use. All right, so we have the sign up. Okay, so first you have to allow it to send you notification, and this is one of the best ways. So always allow OKX to send you notification so that we can know what is going on as well. Okay, so we have the sign up here. Tap on the sign up, and then you will select your country right here. So anywhere that you're watching the video from, just select your country. After that, you select this. Okay, you tap on this to tick. So you tap on next, and then you will confirm your location. So make sure wherever that you are, it's matching with your ID details that you have. Okay, so after that, tap on confirm down here. And when you come to this side, then you enter your email address and also your referral code. With your referral code, enter what you have on the screen. Okay, just enter it right there. So this space, you are going to enter this referral code right here. After that, you will tap on the sign up. Okay, so you tap on the sign up, you wait for some time, and your account will be created for you. So you need to confirm that you are a human. Okay, so with this, you could see we have this bar right here. Okay, you will swipe to this side. Okay, you will swipe to where we have the space. Okay, so you could see this space is here and this is here. So we are going to move this to this side. So just in case you think this one you cannot do it, we have this right here. When you tap on it, it will change and give you a new one for you to try. Okay, so if you're not able to do it, don't worry, you can do it. Like you can keep trying. Okay, so we will move it right here. Then you remove your hand from the screen, and then it will confirm for you, and then a code will be sent to your email that you used. Then you enter the code right here. After entering the code, it will automatically move to the next stage, and then you verify your phone number. Okay, so you add your phone number to it as well by verifying it by tapping on the verify now. So when you input your phone number, make sure your country code is correct. Okay, so you can tap on it and then you can change it to your country, and then your country code will be here. Then you enter your phone number on the next side of it. Then you tap on the verify now. If you haven't liked the video, just like the video, and more videos will become right here. So a code will also be sent to that phone number that you just gave for them to confirm that it is your official number and not any number anywhere. Then you input it as well. Then it will come to this side where you are going to create your password. So just create a strong password, not just any password, but a password that is from 8 to 32 characters, as in 8 to 82 numbers or letters or whatever that you use. Okay, and also at least lowercase character, that is small letters, and then we have the capital letters, and it should at least have one number. Okay, and then at least one special character, as in this as well. We are going to create a passkey that will just give you the offer to verify your account, to just use to unlock your account very easily without any issue. Then you tap on continue. Okay, then you tap on continue right here. So you tap on continue, and then you are going to create a passkey, and this will be used for your OKX account. Okay, then you tap on continue. I will use my fingerprint. I will just put my fingerprint right here, and then it will be confirmed. So without my fingerprint, I may not be able to either log into my account or get access to one or two things. Okay, so yes, So after creating your account, you could see we have follow the steps and get up to 50 USD. So the first thing is to sign up, and we are done with the sign up. Okay, and then we have verified identity. That one I'm going to show you how we will do it. And after that, you will buy or deposit 50 USDT in crypto. Okay, and then you will get up to 50 USDT. Okay, so let me show you how you can verify your account right now. Now we have created the account. Let's wait verification. Let's start with it and let me show you how it is done. But make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos right here on this platform. So look down and then you tap on the verify now. Okay, then you select your ID type. So with your country, it will be locked at where you chose starting from when you were creating your account. Okay, then you come to the ID type, then you tap on it. So with the ID type, then you will select whether your driver license, whether your national ID card or your passport. So I'll be going for the national ID card. Then look down and tap on next. And then you are going to enable your camera or give your camera permission to take a picture of your Ghana card or your ID card that you have or the one that you chose to use. Okay, then you will take a picture of it. Okay, then you tap on continue here and then you will give it access. Okay, whether this just this time or anytime that you're using the app, but I will choose only this time. So it is loading. Okay, so this place is just giving you a sample, okay? And what they don't want is a cropped ID card or an ID card that you cannot see part of it or a blur one. So make sure you ignore this. Look down and tap on start verification. So you're going to take a picture of the front side of the national ID card. Then you look down and tap on next, or you take the picture again just in case you saw that it was glare or blur or it was cropped that you cannot see part of the card. Okay, then you tap on next down here if everything is correct. Then you go for the back and then you take a picture of it as well. Then you look down and then you tap on next if everything is correct. After that, they will also take a picture of you, just only your face. Okay, and then make sure you are not wearing any mask, any spectacle, or make sure it is glare like this. Okay, so make sure your face, everything is showing. Get some light, move outside, or get a light on your face, and then you will take a selfie. Okay, then look down and tap on next down here. So you can see reviewing, and then it can take up to 30 seconds. We will notify you once your information has been reviewed. And this can take up to 24 hours and you'll be notified once review is complete. So you wait for 24 hours, then they will give you feedback whether your account will be verified or it will not be verified, and then you go through the process again. Then tap on back to home page down here. Okay, so this is the home page of the OKX. So at some point when you log into your account and then you open, you could see that we have the verified identity, and under it we have the continue verification. Okay, so you tap on it to continue with your verification. So when you come to this side, then you confirm that all the personal data that you are given, everything is correct. Okay, and they pick this from the data that you give them. Okay, concerning your ID card that you sent them. Okay, so yes, then look down and then we tap on the I acknowledge that my information is accurate. Then look down and tap on next. So make sure you take this before you tap on this. So we tap on the next, and then you are going to enter your address. We have the street address, we have the city, we have the state, and then we have the postal zip code. Okay, so for Ghana, enter this 00233 if you are from Ghana, but for other country, just check yours and enter it right there. After that, look down and tap on the next button right here. Okay, then it will also be on review, so you could see identity verified. So yes, now it is done. So this is how you can verify your account. So look at the top and then you tap on the time sign right here to close this. Okay, so now we are done creating account which is verified with our ID. Okay, now this is how you can get your 50 USDT. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to deposit. Okay, so for you to get the 50 USDT or the amount up to that 50 USDT, check in the comment section of the video and know how you can deposit on your account, and also you will know more about how you can withdraw, trading on this OKX app.